Here's my E450. So it has the door hinge problem. You can see the bushing's gone out of it. I'm not really sure what this is supposed to look like, but here's the top one. It may be supposed to look like this one. This one seems fine. The problem with this is where it has so much slack, sometimes the door won't close when you close it. Here's a repair kit to fix it. It's a little bit different. See, it's got the nut there. It's got multiple bushings. I think that way it works for different models. So I'm going to show you how to install this. First thing we're going to do is drill the top of this because it's like a rivet. Out of here, you have to unbolt the latch and then you pull the door back. I loosened it up here on these bolts too, but I don't know that you have to really do that. The reason you have to take that piece out is because you have to press the bushings in under here, and you can't do that with it in its position. So you're just going to take these. Mine uses this style. There's two different styles of them. The top, and then this is the bottom. You have one part of the bracket over the top of this, and then the other one is over the bottom of this. That's why it's important to make sure that you have this side on the correct side, and so they're both on the outsides. It's going to go just like this. You got it? Alright, went in. Just remember, if you loosen these up, then you're going to have to readjust the door to get it perfect with the body line. Here's what it looks like after all the pieces installed. I am a little bit concerned because I kind of feel like maybe I did something wrong. What I'm concerned about is I think that those are the right bushings to put in there, but I'm not 100% sure. It looks like it has a little slack, maybe a little bit where it's wore out. Maybe it's just a little wore out from not being replaced in a reasonable time frame. But otherwise, I would definitely recommend that you get the kind that uses a C-clip to hold that stud on rather than the nut, because it's really hard to work around. I also had to heat this up with a torch to punch that thing out and burn the paint a little bit.